Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Bath and Body Works Fine Fragrant Mist Among the Clouds. This is a 8 fluid ounce liquid spray bottle. It sprays on to your skin. This product can be used by women and men, but my wife really doesn't like me to use it. I guess she don't want us to smell the same. I don't know what's that's all about. Anyway, it has a real nice fragrance that lasts all day, and people will take notice of how you smell, and it'll be pleasant. So I highly recommend this product, and I hope this review